In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to delete a Trello board step by step. Whether you're cleaning up old projects, removing test boards, or just organizing your workspace, deleting a board in Trello is simple once you know where to look. I'll walk you through the entire process so you can do it quickly and safely. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and easy to follow Trello tutorials. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Trello.com. Then log into your account if you're not already signed in. Once you're inside Trello, you need to access your Boards page. To do this, click on the Boards section in the top navigation area. This will take you to a page where you can see all the boards associated with your account, including personal boards and any team boards you have access to. Now that you're on the Boards page, take a moment to locate the specific board you want to delete. Make sure you're selecting the correct board, because once a board is permanently deleted, it cannot be recovered. If you think you might need the information later, consider exporting the board data before continuing. Go ahead and click on the board you want to remove. This will open the board and display all of its lists, cards, and activity. From here, the next step is to open the board menu. Look to the top right corner of the screen and click on the menu option. This opens the board settings panel where you'll find additional options for managing the board. Inside the menu, scroll down until you see the option labeled Close Board. It's important to understand that Trello requires you to close a board before you can permanently delete it. Closing a board removes it from your active boards list, but it does not delete it yet. Click on Close Board. A confirmation prompt will appear asking if you're sure you want to close the board. If you're certain, click on Close to confirm. At this point, the board is closed, but it's still not permanently deleted. There's one more important step. Once the board is closed, look again at the top right menu area. Click on the menu option again to reopen the settings panel. Now that the board is closed, you'll see a new option that says Permanently Delete Board. This option only appears after the board has been closed. Click on Permanently Delete Board. Trello will show you a final confirmation message warning you that this action cannot be undone. This is your last chance to change your mind. If you're absolutely sure you want to remove the board and all of its data, click on Delete. And that's it. The board is now permanently deleted from your Trello account. Just to quickly recap, go to your Boards page, open the board you want to delete, click the top right menu, select Close Board, confirm the closure, reopen the menu, choose Permanently Delete Board, and then click Delete to finalize the process. Deleting unused boards is a great way to keep your Trello workspace clean and organized, especially if you manage multiple projects. Regular maintenance helps you stay focused and avoid clutter. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Trello tips, productivity tutorials, and step-by-step software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.